Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you may know that I've been really getting into natural products and also making my own natural products. So I thought it would be fun to do a natural shower routine. Everything I share in this video is going to be natural products and also little DIY remedies. All the products that I do mention, it will be in the description box. But if you guys want more videos like this, thumbs it up because I would love to do more. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. But on that note, let's just jump right into it. As you can tell, my hair is looking rough right now. It is way overdue and needs a good wash. Before I start my shower routine, I always like to brush my hair out to make sure I'm getting rid of any tangles or knots. And this is just really important because I find if you don't do this step and your hair is tangled and then you apply all your products in, you're more likely to lose hair in the shower, and that's when you'll notice you're pulling out hair and damaging your hair more. So I always make sure that my hair is smooth and there is completely no knots in there. I like to do a DIY hair mask at least once a month to twice a month. My favorite hair mask, and I swear by this, is an egg hair mask. I've mentioned this so many times, but I'm telling you, it is amazing for the hair. I just put one whole egg and I added about 3 drops of fresh lemon juice. The lemons just pretty much help reduce the egg scent of the mask, but the egg is what's really going to help your hair tremendously. So I just mixed it all together and I'm going to apply it to the ends of my hair as well as massaging it into my scalp. I made sure before applying the mask to make my hair damp as well. Egg is amazing for the hair because eggs are rich in protein and biotin. Eggs also help provide nourishment to damaged hair, and also eggs help prevent hair breakage by conditioning the scalp, and it helps increase hair growth. This has definitely been the key to how I've grown my hair because I had a really hard time growing my hair for years, and I have been able to grow my hair so much easier now, and has grown so much compared to when it was just not growing and I tried everything and it would not work. This is the secret to my hair growth. Oh, and I forgot to mention it also helps with dandruff. Once I applied it all over my hair, I just let it sit in for 20 minutes, and then after 20 minutes I went ahead, turned on my shower, and I rinsed it off. So the key to rinsing off this hair mask is you have to rinse it with cool or cold water. If it's too hot, you're obviously going to start to cook the egg a little bit, and then it just takes longer to get out of your hair. So it's just easier if you go in with some cool water right away, and all you have to do is shampoo and condition as normal. Now I'm going to share with you my shampoo and conditioner that I've been using and loving, and it is just the Briogeo Apple Superfood Shampoo and Conditioner. I'm not being sponsored. I purchased these on my own, but they are amazing. They are free of sulfates, silicones, parabens. They have no artificial dyes in it. It is gluten-free, cruelty-free, vegan, so it's full of natural ingredients that are amazing for the hair. I just went ahead and started first with the Briogeo Matcha and Apple Superfood Shampoo. So this is 98% natural. It is infused with blends of natural plant and fruit extracts, oils, and antioxidants. This shampoo is great for all hair types. It helps to really boost dull hair, hydrates dry hair, and protects your hair against environmental damage. And it really helps cleanse your hair without stripping the hair of moisture, and just lathers really well. The smell is amazing. It's very fresh, and my hair feels amazing after using their shampoo and conditioner. And speaking of conditioner, I just followed it with the Briogeo Kale and Apple Conditioner, which is 97% naturally derived. I just applied this to the ends of my hair before rinsing it out. It makes my hair super soft and shiny. And if you're looking for a shampoo or conditioner that has more clean ingredients, then I definitely recommend checking this one out. I will, like I said, have the products I use in the description box for you. Now it is time to move on to body care. So I'm going to share with you my DIY body scrub, and all I did was took 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then I just put equal parts of olive oil into it, mixed it all together, and you have your DIY body scrub. I love this one in particular because the coffee grounds and the brown sugar are a really great exfoliant, and it really helps to gently remove dead skin cells. And as well as coffee is really great because it rejuvenates and boosts the circulation, and the exfoliants also plump and tighten, helping to reduce the appearance of cellulite. So coffee has been shown to really help with cellulite. If you want something for your cellulite, this is also really great. And the olive oil is still going to keep your body moisturized, so it's not going to dry your skin out. But I always make sure to use a body scrub, especially if you are going to go in and shave. It's important to get rid of all the dead skin cells, so I just rubbed it all over my legs, my arms, my back, and it's just going to give you a clean base to now go in with your body wash. The body wash I've been loving and using lately is also another clean product, and is just SkinFX Foaming Oil Body Wash. This is really mild and it's free of sulfate, and it's a really great body cleanser. It is great for people that have dry skin or sensitive skin like me, or even eczema prone skin. This is really great. It's dermatologist recommended and really just cleanses the skin without stripping your skin of its natural lipids. So I just always put a pump onto my washcloth and wash my entire body and then rinse it off. Once I'm finished with my shower, of course, I like to go in with a moisturizer, and an amazing moisturizer that will never let you down is just going in with some organic coconut oil and using that as your body moisturizer. Coconut oil is great because it improves the skin's elasticity and collagen production, and also coconut oil has anti-aging properties. It's full of antioxidants such as vitamin E and A, so it's really great for that as well. Just keeps my skin feeling super soft and silky smooth. And then the last thing I'm going in is just a DIY hair serum. So I am so into hair serums, and I'm going to show you a quick one that you can make right at home. All you have to do is take some coconut oil, and I just put it into a little bottle. I am actually reusing an old bottle that I washed out. And then you can put any essential oil of your choice. So you can put lavender, you can put peppermint oil. I just went in and put a few drops of vanilla just because I love the smell of it. It makes my hair feel amazing. And then I just put a little bit on the ends of my hair. Because it is coconut oil, you have to make sure that you don't put too much because obviously it's a very thick serum. So I just put the smallest amount to the ends of my hair, and this is really going to help with breakage as well, and it's just going to give your hair some shine. But like I said, make sure you put the smallest amount. But that is my entire natural shower routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I will link products down below, and as well as the ingredients for my DIY remedies. If you guys want more videos, don't forget to thumbs it up, share it. It really helps me out. And don't forget to subscribe to become a part of my family. I do upload every single week. But on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!